All right, let's do this.
I am so ready for this.
You sure?
Hey!
Don't tell me you're a vegetarian.
You want to play dirty? Okay then.
Jeez.
How do you like that?
You asked for it.
No!
Hey, take that.
Stop it!
Hey! What the? A precious hot dog. Wasted. You two want to play? Okay. Interested? That's a lot of cash.
I'm gonna be rich!
Not so fast. How about some cake, huh? Go! What?
No way! Let's get this party started! Blue frosting sure is appetizing. Getting the sugar disease. Boom! That's how it's done! Perfect for spreading. Is this the most satisfying thing ever, or what? Smooth as butter, baby. Second layer coming in hot. But why stop there? You ready, Barbie? I saved a spot just for you. Cozy, right? There, just enough. It just needs a little shaping. Don't worry, I won't get your legs. Just a little more off here. Now we're getting somewhere.
See? Nope. Busy over here. Nice. Let's see. Perfect.
You know what you're doing? Seeing clearly? Well...
Huh? Hey! So bright! I can't see anything! Jeez! Ah! What have I done?
That really is a shame. Anyway, I've got some skirt making to do. Wait for it. First we lift, and then it fits. Oh yeah, there it goes. Wow, it's just beautiful. What do you think?
No, this can't be happening. I have to turn this into something. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Yes, that's just it. How about some green? Look alive, look alive. Very nice. Now for you. Here you go. And a friend. Prehistoric and delicious, all in one. Yes! See, it's a winner. Hey there, little guy. Ouch! That's just a prop. My goodness, these are quite spectacular. But this? Whose?
It's mine, Chef.
What? I won't keep you in suspense. Hope you're thirsty. Come on, let's go. A fun drink? Say less. I've got something mouth-watering on the way.
Where's he going?
So lush! You're coming with me. So ripe. And look, grapes! You're coming with me. You all are. I love a good harvest. Delightful!
What's all that?
It doesn't get fresher than this. Ha! Let's get to it, folks. I'm ready to do some slicing. Focus, aim, and slice. Very nice. More! Come on! I want to see pulp, right?
Yep, love it. Uh-huh. Look at this big guy. Here, he can have this one. Not quite as juicy, though.
That's right! Hey, my melon! This thing's a beast! Ah!
Jeez. That worked out perfectly.
It's okay, I'm alive. That was something else. Not cool. But at least I've got this. Next stop, and to the glass you go. Oh yeah, time to elevate my favorite fizzy beverage. Ooh, fruit-tastic! Aw, isn't that lovely? Can't forget a pretty garnish. But it's missing a straw. Duh. This deserves a big one, too. Glorious. Do you love?
I think I can do a little better than that. Watch this. Jeez.
You good?
Yeah, I think so. Gotta get blending. Just look at that juicy goodness. Fruit-tastic, I'd say.
Hey! Whoa! It's juice!
Yep. but I'm not quite done. Time for round 2.
No! Please, use this.
Alrighty, that was way less painful. Can't have a cocktail without ice. And the best juice ever! Just look at that ruby red color. And some mint. Now this is worthy of some sipping, right?
You decide. Oh, wow. Let's see here. Is he enjoying it? Next.
Well,
Huh?
duck and cover!
Whoa!
Way less dangerous.
Yes! I won!
You know what I really want? Extra cheese, please. Delicioso, okay?
Huh? Oh, I got you. The best pizza is always made from scratch. Dough and all. Just a little crack. Just like my grandma used to do it. Listen, it's all in the wrist. Yep, it's changing. See? Perfect. Now let's give it some air. Rock and roll, baby. Wow, it's looking like a pizza now.
Pizza? I've never made pizza before. Huh? Dough? Oh no, it's out of control! Or is it? I think I can work with this. I like my pizza pink anyway. Spread that stuff around. Yum.
Wow, that's different. I gotta up the ante here. You can't go wrong with a classic. Do your thing, spoon. Very nice. Now for the star of the show.
Cheese. I don't know about that. Skittles are way prettier.
Who cares? Cheese tastes better.
I'm not so sure about that. Sprinkles fix everything.
That's funny. I'd say the same thing about pepperoni.
Nope, marshmallows trump any cured meats. Just look at this thing. Girly, gorgeous, and ginormous.
How dare you? I'm still cooking here. Now this is a real work of art. Melted cheese, people. Never mess with a classic.
Is that a flying salami? This ought to spice things up. You didn't see a thing. Not even a salami.
Hey, we're all done.
So I see. How inventive! I've never seen a slice like it.
Yeah?
That's not bad. Ooh, just like back in Italy. Wait. Oh!
It's spicy?
That is not how it's done. Pink it is.
I knew you'd love it.
Okay.
A burger with what?
I'm glad you asked. Ta-da! Can you work with that? And this?
Wow, this is sick. I call savory.
Hey, sweet's mine.
Let's start with the king condiment. Ketchup, baby. Make it rain. I just can't get enough of this stuff.
Oh, yeah?
Enter the sweet tooth equivalent.
Nutella for the win. My mouth's watering already. I mean, isn't yours?
Oh, hello, chocolate.
What's she doing now?
Let us show you a little burger humor.
Oh, you want funny? How about sour?
Bring on the meat. But it's nothing without some seasoning. Pepper galore. That's about enough, don't you think? Gotta make sure it's all in there. Squishy. Yep, looking good, looking good. Hamburger patty, anyone? Get onto that griddle, girl. I want to hear that sizzle.
Sizzle? Where'd she get that thing?
And those grill marks?
Kind of a big deal, right?
Grilled chocolate? Gummy bears, on the other hand, way more my speed. Looking tasty, my friends. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Perfection. And last but certainly not least, I call this Be Ooey Blue Goo. And boy, is it delicious. I'm a burger genius. I so won this round. Just look at it.
Can't have a burger without cheese. And don't worry, I eat my veggies. There, topped with more of the good stuff. Mmm, so good. One perfect burger coming right up.
All done.
See?
I'm intrigued. Let the tasting begin. Starting with this bad boy. Wait, is that a... Goodness gracious!
No, but it's candy.
This had better be bug-free. Oh, this is delightful. Way to go.
Yes!
Oh man.
Looks like this cash is yours.
I'm gonna buy like 10 cars, 3 wardrobes, my own country.